أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Surah Yasin. Yasin. By the Quran, which is full of wisdom, you, O Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, are indeed one of the Rasuls who have been sent. This Quran has been revealed by the Almighty, the Merciful, so that you may warn a people, that is the Arab nation, whose forefathers were not warned, hence they are unaware. For those who choose to neglect Allah's revelations, He has put iron collars on their necks which reach up to their chins, so that their heads are forced up. And Allah has put a barrier in front of them and a barrier behind them, so that they cannot see. It is the same for them, whether you warn them or warn them not, they will not believe. To those who follow the reminder, that is the Quran, and fear Allah, give them good news of forgiveness and a generous reward. Reminder is given of an incident of a certain town to whom Allah had sent two Rasuls. But when the people rejected both of them, Allah strengthened them with a third Rasul. The Rasul said, "Our only duty is to convey Allah's message plainly." But the people replied, "We regard you as an evil omen for us. If you do not stop, we will stone you, or you will receive from us a painful punishment." A man who was a believer came running from the end of the town and said, "O people, follow these Rasuls. Follow the ones who ask no payment of you and are rightly guided." The man who came running from the far end of the town continued to address the people, "It would not be justifiable on my part if I do not worship Him who has created me and to whom you all shall be brought back. Should I take other gods besides Him?" Consequently, the people killed this man by stoning him, and it was said to him, "Enter paradise." After him, Allah did not send any army against His people. It was nothing but a single blast, and they all became extinct. Some of the signs from Allah are mentioned, so mankind can ponder upon them. The dead land may serve as a sign. Allah gives it life and produces from it grain for the people to eat. Allah also produces from it gardens with date palms and vines, and causes springs to gush forth from it. Allah has created all things in pairs, the plants of the earth, mankind themselves, and so many other living things which you do not know. Another sign is the night and the day. The sun runs its course which is predetermined by Allah. As for the moon, Allah has designed phases for it till it again becomes like an old, dried, curved date stalk. Both the sun and the moon float along its own orbit. Another sign is how Allah carried the human race through the flood in the laden ark of Nuh alayhi salam. Whenever the people are asked, "Spend out of what Allah has given you," the disbelievers say to the believers, "Should we feed those whom Allah can feed Himself?" These people are in manifest error. Further they say, "When will this promise of resurrection come to pass, if what you say is true? In fact, it is a single blast which will seize them while they are yet disputing among themselves. When the trumpet will be blown, they will rise up from their graves and hasten to their Rabb. They will say, 'Oh, woe to us! Who has raised us up from our graves?' On that day, no soul will suffer the least injustice, and you shall be rewarded according to your deeds. The residents of paradise will be busy in their joy. They and their spouses will be in shady groves, reclining on soft couches. They will have all kinds of fruits, and they will get whatever they call for. They will be greeted with the word Salam or peace from the Lord of mercy, Allah. The sinners will be set aside, and Allah will say, "Did I not enjoin you not to worship Shaitan, who is your open enemy?" Yet Shaitan has led a great number of you astray. Didn't you have common sense? Allah will further say, "This is the hell of which you were repeatedly warned. Now burn in it this day because you persistently rejected the truth." On that day, Allah will seal their mouths, while their hands will speak, and their feet will bear witness to all their misdeeds. Does not man see the signs of Allah in cattle, how they are under man's domination? You use some to ride on, whereas some you use for meat. Also in them are other advantages, and drinks such as milk. Should man not be grateful? Does not man see that Allah has created him from a sperm, yet he stands up as an open adversary? Whenever Allah intends a thing, He needs only to say be, and it is. Glory be to Allah, in whose hands is the kingdom of all things, and to whom you shall all be brought back.